Yo, what's up YouTube? AbusePix here, and today I'll be showing you a free game glitch on PS4. Alright, PS4 only. So this glitch will allow you to get any game you want. So yeah, let's get right into it. So this glitch will have a few steps, not really hard. No, nothing really too hard, or it's really simple. So let's get right into it, guys. So the first step you want to do is go to the PlayStation Store. Alright, PlayStation Store. Alright, after you go to PlayStation Store, you're gonna want to go to the game that you want to buy. So let's see. No, let's go for something. Maybe let's go for Madden, guys. So I think Madden will be good. Pick Madden. Okay, right there. You see Madden pops up. Alright, I'm just not gonna show you because it shows a reflection. Alright, as you see, it says Madden NFL 20, add to cart. So you're gonna press add to cart. Alright, standard edition. Always pick standard edition. Alright. Alright, as you see, current wallet 0.01 cents, 60 bucks subtotal. And you're gonna go proceed to checkout. You're gonna press credit or debit. Alright, credit or debit. And then you're gonna spam out. Alright, once you spam out, you wanna go back to the PlayStation Store really fast. You wanna go to the same game that you typed. So in my case, it's gonna be Madden 20. As you see, oh, put the wrong thing. Right there, so show the reflection. Alright, there we go. Alright, Madden NFL 20. It's in cart, so you're gonna want to press options. Press options on the in cart button. Alright, go to terms of service and user agreement. Spam out of there. Go to settings. Hurry, go to settings, go to network, and then test internet connection. Alright, I'm not gonna show you guys. I'm just gonna show you my internet stuff, but you want to quickly do that. Alright, quickly do it. Alright, quickly do it, very quickly. Alright, as you see, it's complete. And let's see. Want to go back to the PlayStation Store? You want to go back to the PlayStation Store? Just go back to the PlayStation Store. Alright, and there you see added to downloads, Madden NFL 20 version 1.26. Alright, that's how you do it, guys. As you see, Madden 20 right there, downloading, currently downloading. Alright, as you see, this glitch is very legit. Alright, guys, so yeah, that's it for this YouTube video. Don't do this too many times on one account or you will get banned. Do this max 2 to 3 times on one account. I'll say 3 times at max on one account, then make another account and do it on there 3 times, and make another account 3 times. Alright, but yeah, that's it for this YouTube video, and I'm out. So like and subscribe and comment. I'm out.